What's up, my loves? It's your girl CiCi. Welcome back to my channel. I have a top list of natural remedies that I think you're absolutely going to love, that I love, that I have actual experience with, and I'm a living proof that this stuff works. And I thought, what best time to share with you what my tips are than when I'm going through it right now. Like, there's no better time. So I'm actually right now having or dealing with some kind of a throat infection slash chest congestion. It's not the Rona. You know, it's that time of day, at that time of year. I wanted to share my tips on how to prevent getting sick, but if you do happen to get sick, how to fight it the way that I'm doing it right now. So those are, again, are all natural. We're not talking about pharmaceutical drugs right now. Definitely not anything that you can get at your regular pharmacy. Maybe some of them you can, but most of them you would have to find a local natural health store. And I'll post as many links as possible that I can find for the different places around the world that you can find maybe a chain of natural stores. Okay, so let's first start with this right here. This, I would say, is a must-have in any household. Anybody who's dealing with inflammation, with blood circulation. Inflammation includes even pain, right, in your muscles and in your joints. But particularly for the flu season, if you're Haitian, you know, l'huile de foie de morue, you're aware of this. You're already very familiar with this because even as kids, our parents, grandparents were really big on that, and very popular in the Haitian community. But this brand in particular, based on my research, is one of the top brands out there for cod liver oil. There's two different types that we use here at home for me and my daughter Ruby. If you're not aware, my little girl Ruby, she also has sickle cell, so she is a little bit more prone to infections. So this is the kind of stuff we use all year round. So hemp seed oil is also a really great oil, has very good amounts of omega-3s and 6, and great for all the other benefits that I've raised earlier. So this is another option, and it tastes a little bit better than, if you don't want to taste fish or even have a fishy smell, then this might be a better option for you. Or if you happen to have an allergy when it comes to fish, then that might be another option for you. So I'm taking this at least in the morning and midday, and then before I go to bed. And it helps a lot with phlegm. So if you have a dry cough, this will actually help to secrete. The next on my list, I would say garlic. This is something that I take throughout the day. I'll take 3 to 4 capsules every couple of hours. This is great to fight infections. And this is one of my go-tos as well. And no smell, you literally just pop them. I'll show you how small they are. Very, very small capsules, as you can tell. Very easy to swallow. You can take 3, 4 at a time, and it's not, you know, super thick to get through. Garlic pills. I didn't know you could buy these in pill form until someone told me. And it was life-changing, because we know the benefits of garlic, even just cooking with it, but the medicinal benefits when you take it in capsule form, y'all, it goes straight into your bloodstream, and that stuff gets to work, okay? This is particularly for children. This orange brand I like for other types of supplements as well. But this is a homeopathic preparation or formula specifically for your children when they have fever or pain, if they have trouble sleeping because, you know, it's super uncomfortable, they're congested. This is a homeopathic option as opposed to, let's say, Tylenol, right? Know that there are other options out there than what you see at your local pharmacy, made from herbs and plants that basically give you the same result, if sometimes better. Vitamin D3, we all know that this is something, especially Black people, we lack of, particularly in this time of the year. It's getting cooler. We don't get that nice bright sunshine to get our vitamin D from. Yep, I take this every day, my daughter too. I take about 10,000 units a day. Now, I've done my research, do yours too. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a specialist, so I want you to do your own research, but to me, it was a safe amount for me to take. And for my daughter, she gets 3,000 to 5,000 units daily as well. And vitamin D is crucial for almost everything in your body. I will leave that research up to you too, but it's another reason why I take it, especially when I have an infection, because you tend to be depleted from vitamins and nutrients in your body, minerals too. So it's always good to take extra vitamins when you're fighting something. And I don't think I need to apologize for the way my voice is sounding, because I already told you I'm fighting something, but I do apologize because this is not the best of me. So this is Virid Jr. This is the main supplement that I give to my daughter Ruby when she's fighting something, especially a cold or flu. It helps soothe sore throat, boosts the immune system, reduces fever, and stops cough. So this Virid comes in a junior form, but in adult form. I just ran out and I don't have any for myself. But this is what I give to Ruby because she's coughing a little bit too, especially at night. So I give her that at least 3 times a day, a full dropper of those. I will list the links to these products in the description box. So if you don't have anything like that at home, please get it, because your child's about to cough and sneeze throughout this winter season. I mean, knock on wood, but you know, most likely, which is completely normal. It's normal to get sick once in a while, okay? But let's fight it, and let's know how to equip our bodies to deal with it properly. Liquid chlorophyll, if you follow me anywhere else on social media, then you know that I'm a big advocate for liquid chlorophyll. Basically, the plant blood is practically identical to the human blood. The only difference is the center atom. The atom in the center of the molecule is magnesium instead of iron in human cells. And this oxygenates the body. It helps to gently detox the body as well. It increases your energy. All the good stuff that plants technically do, but you have it in liquid form basically. And I drink this throughout the day, bottles upon bottles. So stay hydrated. That's another tip too. Stay hydrated. And I mean, force yourself to drink as much as you can. Okay? Gotta flush out those germs. What have I not touched on? Vitamin C. Vitamin C is big. That's another one. If you follow me, you know that I'm big on vitamin C for all the reasons that you'll find doing your research. But vitamin C is an incredible fighter against any pathogens. So I take this stuff too pretty much every couple hours, and especially my daughter. And then last but not least, a good tea. Who doesn't love a good tea? I have 2 options here, but I have a cabinet full, but I picked the 2 that I use, especially when I'm fighting something, okay? Ginger, this organic green ginger tea. It has the benefits of both ginger and green tea, which are excellent to fight infections. So I'll be sipping on this once in a while throughout the day. I'll always have a cup somewhere with some tea brewing, like always. And dandelion root, I just discovered the benefits of this tea. Y'all, dandelion root is some good stuff. And supposedly it's been used for years. I mean, like hundreds of years for the common cold or any other types of illnesses. But also for just energy. I think some people use it to replace coffee. Now, I haven't found that it gave me that much that kind of energy. Like I still like my coffee, but my goal one day would be to let go of coffee entirely and just have like a natural, like a caffeine-free option, let's put it that way. So these are the ones that I have out. I have one that I forgot to pull out because I think I left it in my room. I keep it next to me. I'll be right back. This right here, y'all. Oh my goodness. I recently discovered this. Recently meaning a year ago. This is called Zinc. It's formulated with zinc gluconate. So there's a lot of talks online about zinc and what it could do, okay? Amazing things, okay? And some people go as far as saying that it can help with that thing that's going around the world right now, okay? Just in general, zinc is a great mineral to help fight infections, viruses, and bacteria. And this one comes in a spray form, in a jet spray, literally. And I will say, I will admit, this doesn't taste good. It does not taste good. It does not taste good. Ooh, child. So it has zinc in it, menthol. I'm thinking the essential oil. It has echinacea, and it also has slippery elm. So this stuff right here My throat was sore this morning. My throat is not sore. It's just my cough that's causing my voice to, act up. But this stuff will immediately soothe your throat. And that was it, guys. Those are my top supplements for this time of year when the germs and the viruses and the bacteria are rampant. So get yourself armed up to prevent and fight if you got to, like I am right now. And you'll be just fine. You and your kids will be just fine, okay? So praying over you for health, love, and abundant peace in these crazy times. Okay. I love you guys. Stand tall in life and in love. Mwah.